Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change password in Redmi phone. So to start, launch your device's settings, and here enter either fingerprints, face data and screen lock category, or if you have an older Redmi phone or an older OS version, I guess the category that you should be looking for is called something like passwords and security or something along those lines. Anyway, from here, choose the screen lock section, input your current password, then tap at the new password you would like to set. You can change the type of the screen lock, or for example, I have password enabled, and if you would like to set another password, I'll tap over here. Then once the got it button becomes available, press it, and now input a new password of yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.